In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language on Naver Map to English. If you haven't already, download the Naver app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you have an Android. Launch the Naver app on your mobile device. Tap the three horizontal lines menu icon, typically located in the upper left corner of the screen, to open the sidebar. Scroll down to the sidebar menu until you find the Settings menu and then tap on it. In there, look for a section labeled as Language. Tap the language settings and choose English from the list of available languages. And the app should now switch to English. If it doesn't change immediately, try restarting the app. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next video.